Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME 15x and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first let's open your phone together. Now tap on more icon and select contacts. From contact list select the one that you want to personalize, mark edit and click on profile picture. Now you can either choose this photo from your own gallery, from Google Photos, you can create monogram, or you can pick something from illustrations. Let me pick something from my gallery, then select the picture and customize it however you want. You can rotate it, then mark choose and tap on save. So that's it. As you can see, it is applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.